Welcome to this course titled Modern Indian Writing in English Translation. What you are entering is not just an online classroom. It's a reckoning, an invitation to listen to the voices that are often subdued or silenced in the grand narrative of nationhood. At the very heart of our journey lies a very fascinating paradox, that is translation. If you look at your syllabus, you have 4 short stories, you have 8 poems, and you have 2 novels. Of course, we will study the English translation of these texts. The duration of this course is 15 weeks. If you complete the course, submit all the assignments on time, and take the proctored examination, you will be awarded with 5 credit points and a certificate of achievement. So, join the course with curiosity and openness, read patiently, question generously, and disagree thoughtfully.